Hi guys, welcome back with me, Chow Chow 2025. Today we're going to learn text before and text after in non-365 Excels. So we're going to take the first fraction and the last fraction. How to do that? For example, we got one. The first fraction is yellow scarf and the last fraction is way. The first fraction is Han and the last fraction is way in this example in boxing case. So first we need to find out if we need to use if is error. So we're going to search the delimited here, within here. If there's nothing, we're gonna create an error here. So we're going simply to trim this and put it here. And yeah, now we're going to play the formula here. And the formula is, first we need to know the location of, so it's more clear. Yeah. There's been a hyphen here, so you see what I'm doing. Okay, it's not going to be clear here, so we're going to make the example here. Since it has delimited, it's show 5, which is true. This is 5. Now we know it's 5. We're going to take the data, giving it left. Left what? Left is here. And we're going to search the delimited 5, so left 5. But it's going to hit this hyphen. So we're going to reduce it to this left 4. And we're going to trim it. So yeah, it's finished for the first fraction. It's very simple. Since we're chill squad, liu biao. The hard one is the last fraction here, but the first part is the same. So we're going to copy paste this thing first. If there's no such thing, so there's no need to do it. But the next step is different. We're going to substitute the occurrence of the delimited. So we're going to substitute first the text here. We're going to change the delimited in. So we're going to create the same thing, but without the delimited. For what? For we want to know how many times it occurs. So we're going to count this word that have no delimited and compare it to the word that have delimited. So we know it's occurred 3 times. That's pretty good. Now we know it's occurred 3 times. What we can do about it is that we can actually substitute again. This time this thing, we're going to change this hyphen into a new text. That is, I'm going to create a unique word, chow key. This is unique. You could name it whatever, but make sure it's not belong to the text that you want to search. And then instant number. This is going to help decide which one you want to change. We already know it's number 3, and we already copy paste the formula here. So this is the formula of substitute. So now the result is like this. We have Han Yu Dao by Xin and Chao Ki Wei. Since we're going to get the last one, and the last one is 3, so Chao Ki Wei. Now we already know this. It's very simple. We're going to search again like the last time, but we know what we search now. It's the unique word that we create, that is chow key. We go to the chow key on this word, and it's 25. Subtract it from the length of this word. So we're going to count how long this is. Subtract it with 25 here, so it's 4. Now we're going to give it a right word from here. The stacks. Right way, and we're going to trim like usual. And it works, guys. Way, yellow scarf, gin. And that's how you use to get the first word and the last word from a cell without using text before or text after in Windows 365. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and see you again on the next episode. Have a nice day.